Hi, I'm Rick Wasselcheck, a project manager slash site supervisor for Peak Construction. Today, we're here in Rhinebeck, New York on one of our projects. This is a renovation slash addition job. We added 1,500 square feet to this house, completely renovated the existing house. Some of the challenges that we had dealt with here was this foundation. It's basically on stone and I needed room for mechanicals, so there was a lot of hammering and elevation changes. There's always challenges when you put a new structure to an existing structure and make them look as one. Anything that was done there we have to try to correct. Here we have to make it blend. I think this house originally was in the 70s, had multiple owners over the years. Couple different renovations, so there were stacked roofs. Window openings were nowhere where they are now, so it's almost complete rebuild of the existing house. So here we have the connection breezeway, which connects the new addition to the existing house. Full glass on both ends. Front entry to the house, sliding glass door to the rear patios and the pool. This existing house footings were not in line with this, so we ended up creating a lot of structural concrete work in here to hold up the existing chimney of the house and this foundation here, and to make the connection to all our new concrete work. So here's the entryway to the mechanical room, the heart of the house. So in here we have everything from a water treatment center, the water maker, your gas manifold for your propane, service panel, 400 amp service in this house, generator connection panel, sub panel for the generator. This corner here is our IT corner. And as we move over to here, this is one of 5 heating air conditioning systems in this house. Here we have our well tank. We also have radon system, active radon system in this project. So one of the big challenges on this project was being able to get all this glass into this wall. This being a structural bearing wall, all the beams had to be recessed above the ceiling height up to the bottom of the roof line. All the overhangs were cut off. So in order to do that, we had to create temporary walls down this section, remove the sheetrock, cut the overhangs and the ceiling joists off, and mount them with hangers to the sides of the beams so that we could set these windows at this elevation. A lot of time, a lot of man hours into putting these windows in on this floor. So here we have an island that's going to come out here, more of a peninsula, and then the cabinets wrap around, range with a hood, sink in this window, great view of the outside. Over in here we have the refrigerator and pantry tucked neatly into this alcove, and then from here we have a pocket door that will come across, closing this off, and then cabinets and shelving in this pantry space. This is the Alvic line. And if you see, it's very smooth, very clean finish. Solid box cabinets with overlaid drawers and doors. Very modern look. The color is close to the outside, which pulls in the outside to the inside. There'll be all solid stone countertops. Beautiful views of the property of the Catskill Mountain Range. We have a drop-down TV. The idea of that was so when you're not using it, it's gone. It doesn't block any views, and when you need it, it comes down, rotates. So as we walk out of the closet / dressing room, we come into the master bathroom, which is a walk-in shower, all tile, no curbs, clean lines, lighted medicine cabinets, double sink, hanging vanity. And as we come past here, we have the restroom with wall-hung toilet and cabinetry. As you notice, there's no doors splitting the 3 sections, and it's like being outside. So this fireplace here at one time had more of a colonial flair, had cabinets on either side, which we removed. Recesses were filled and insulated. Now we're going to a more contemporary look with the marble, returns on the side, and just a glass door. No mantle, no hearth. And that will be a gas insert. The look here is more of a contemporary modern look. The architects on this project are out of New York City. So we got a lot of big glass, a lot of thin lines, straight lines. We use a 1/2-inch trim, gives it a lot of thinner, cleaner profile. The colors trying to blend with the patios and into the landscape, but when you come inside, everything is modern. So this here is an elevator shaft. These residential elevators have become more common in our projects. This one goes 2 floors, has what they call 2 stops. There was a time when this was kind of unheard of, and today these are quite affordable, and we're seeing them more and more in our projects.